Here's a quick demo of the Suggest feature using Turing and QBox technology. Here I have a Lewis model with a number of intents, and one of the intents isn't performing well. The intent covers questions on accommodation near an event we're holding. And I've already managed to come up with 8 utterances, as you can see here, but QBox isn't rating them as very strong for my model. QBox uses 3 metrics to determine how well each intent is performing. And for this intent, the metrics are quite low, as you can see. These are percentages, so obviously out of 100. So we're in a typical scenario where the Lewis model needs more examples to understand our accommodation intent. But I'm struggling to think up some more diverse utterances without repeating myself. Or it could be a case of time constraints limiting me. And here's where the Turing combined with the power of QBox helps. I'm going to use the Suggest feature and load some suggestions. This will generate a list of new utterances based on my accommodation intent. And then I can pick and choose which ones I'd like to add to my model. But before I do add them, I can use another feature in QBox called Quick Analysis, which will tell me if these updates would potentially make any improvements to this intent. So let's add this one and this one. Add them to Quick Analysis, go into Quick Analysis and click on Update. And then this will give me the potential new scores for these new utterances. So I can see the 3 metrics have potentially increased for this intent. And then I can carry on using the Suggest feature and load more suggestions. So let's do that. And let's add this one and this one. And go back to Quick Analysis and update again. And then I'll be able to see what impact these new utterances may have. And we can see they've made a good impact. The 3 metrics have increased nicely. I can keep on loading new suggestions and running a new analysis until I'm happy with the potential results. I can then copy these new utterances into my model and make the updates for real. With this, there's no more scratching of heads to come up with relevant and varied utterances for my model.